Hello everyone, this is Atika Badar from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to give you the solution of the question which I gave you in my last video. So, the question was that you have to ask user two numbers and you have to add the odd numbers between those two numbers, including those two numbers. So, in today's video, we will see the solution of that question. So, let's make a new file and here we will write solution 5.py. Wait a second. Here, so here's the solution 5.py. So what we have to do, we have to first ask user the starting number and the ending number. Okay, so here we will write start num. Okay, here we will write int input, enter the starting number. Okay, and we will make another variable nnum, and here we will write enter the ending number. Okay, here we will define another variable and we will assign the value to be 0. Okay, now as we have to use for loop, here we will use for loop. So for I in range, we have to write the starting number. So the start number which user will input, start num, and the ending number. So nnum plus 1. As I have told you, the range will start from the starting number which we have given and will go till ending number -1. So that's why we have to write here +1 because we have to include the ending number and starting number as well. So some of you might think that we can write 2 here as the step argument because 1, 3, 5, 7 has a step of 2. That's why. But it isn't the correct one. Let me show you why it isn't the correct one. Okay, so we will write here 2 as the step argument for now only, and here we will write sum plus equal to I. So the value of I will be added to the variable sum every time the loop will work. Okay, and as I told you that I will get the number of the range. Okay, so now we will print here print sum. Okay, enter the starting number. Suppose if we entered 1 and ending number to be 11. See, answer is 36 and answer should be 36 only. Okay, so my program is working well, but let's run it again. Suppose if we enter 2 here and 12 as the ending number. See, it is writing 42. Here, let me show you. If we write here numbers, odd numbers between 2 to 12, so it will be 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and plus 11, right? So it should be 35, right? But it is giving 42 as the answer. Why is it giving 42 as the answer? Because here it is adding 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 and plus 12. It is adding these numbers. So if you add it, so 8 to 10, 4 and 6, 10, 20, 30, 42. So it is giving 42 as the answer here. So this step argument isn't working that well. Okay, so if I entered the starting number to be an even number, it will not work well, right? So what should we do here? We will write condition here, if statement, so we will remove the step argument, and here we will write if I mod 2 is equals to 1, then sum plus equal to I. Okay, so if we run it, enter the starting number. If I enter here 1 and ending number to be 11, see, it is giving 36. And if I enter the starting number to be 2 and ending number to be 12, it is giving 35, which is the correct one, right? So that's the answer. So hope I made myself clear to you. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.